G'day guys, Behringer here, and here's a Behringer X32 audio rack, and it's broken. Well, it was broken, and I found the problem why I didn't make any video, because every time I would change something on this thing, it would start working better. So I started by changing all the output filtering stage, because, well, it's just good practice, so I replaced those, and then it started having issue booting up, but eventually would boot. And then I sourced the problem back to a capacitor on the voltage feedback circuitry, which is in the middle of the board. So you got the input, the voltage feedback, and then you got the output right here. So yeah, so I found that was bad. I found one of the diode, I don't remember which, but one of the diode was bad. I have no clue how that blew up, because there was nothing wrong with the board whatsoever. But lots of caps on caps, bad quality ones, all over. So I replaced all of them. They're all a little bit bigger, because these are 25 volt and these are 35, so they are a bit bulkier. Same thing with these. I went ahead and replaced those with whatever I had, which are pretty good caps, and not 85 degrees. They are 105 degrees, so they're much better. So I'm just gonna put that back together. You'll see it works pretty good now. So yeah, it's a pretty simple power supply. Why it was worth fixing rather than replacing. It was pretty easy to figure out how this thing worked, and reverse engineer it until we know what's wrong with it. And it doesn't even have a standby on that. It's like it's all power from the main that is cut on this board, so it couldn't be any simpler. So you guys have these things, I mean, it's super easy to fix. Well, at least for me, this is not complicated, it's pretty easy. So yeah, you can always send them to me. I'll fix them up real good for you. And now the main power. Fire in a hole. The lights turn white to well. There we go, it's booting. And those flickers are perfectly normal. That's how the actual unit works, believe it or not. You can watch videos about it. And yeah, you got all your stuff in there, which I have no use for. So I'm just gonna close the top cover, and it's good. So you guys have a nice one, and talk to you next one. If you like electronic repair, please subscribe and drop a comment for me. It really helps. So talk to you later, guys.